North Carolina, Catawba, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln. Southeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, southwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rutherford to 9 miles west of Forest City to near Columbus, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Forest City, Columbus, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Landrum, Cowpens, Inman, Mayo, Chesney, Campobello, and Bostic. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Polk, and Rutherford, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and Spartanburg. A severe thunderstorm